Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable low power mode on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First you have to press the side button on your watch to open the control center. Here you have to scroll down to the battery percentage level icon and tap on it. And now select low power mode to enable it. Then you can either turn it on and then turn it off manually, or select the amount of time for which you want the low power mode to be enabled by selecting turn on for and then selecting 1 day, 2 days or 3 days as a value. Then to disable it you have to tap on the same battery percentage icon once again and then tap low power mode once again to toggle it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.